your daily news updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Saigal SeaTrade.
On November 2nd, the Asia-Pacific Panamax freight rates dropped. The Asia-Pacific Supramax freight rates declined. The Cape-size freight rates slightly slipped, and the Pacific Handy-size freight rates were largely down.
Weaker vessel demand pushes Baltic index to over 1 month low. The Baltic Exchange's main sea freight index, tracking rates for ships carrying dry bulk commodities, fell to a more than 1 month low on Thursday as rates dropped across vessel segments. The overall index, which factors in rates for Cape-size, Panamax and Supramax shipping vessels, continued its decline for the 11th session, falling 1.1 or 16 points to 1,385. The Cape-size index was 0.8% or 16 points down to 1,883, the lowest since September 18. Increase in the percentage share of Supramax vessel size for October. As November starts, there is uncertainty about how dry bulk freight rates will perform in the future. Optimism in earlier days has faded due to recent weekly declines, and the market strength in the final quarter of the year is now in question. On the supply side, there has been an increase in the number of ballisters for Cape-size vessels, while in the Panamax category, there is still a decrease, indicating the possibility of a more robust rate environment. In the grain sector, it is worth noting that the percentage share of Supramax vessels in the Middle East grain exports to various destinations has been increasing. Although there was a significant downward revision in the total monthly volume of Middle East grain exports in October, the Supramax vessel size has shown increased activity compared to previous months. Before we move on to the rest of the news updates, I would like to inform you that the 10th Indo-Tanker Shipping and Trade Summit is being organized on 9th of February 2024 in Mumbai, and the venue will have limited seating capacity. So we request you to reserve your seat as soon as possible. Registrations will be done on a first-come, first-served basis. Asia fuel oil VLSFO steadies after latest rally, time spreads cool. Asia's very low sulfur fuel oil steadied on Thursday following a recent spike, while backwardation time spreads also eased after jumping past a year's high. The Singapore 0.5% VLSFO cash premium MFO05 SIN DIF continued to edge higher on Thursday at $27.39 a metric ton, though the gain was milder after a sharp jump on Wednesday. Market backwardation cooled slightly with the balanced month December time spread narrowing to $29.75 a ton on Thursday compared with $34.5 a ton on Wednesday. Russian oil discounts have reduced, says India's MRPL. Discounts on Russian oil sales have reduced from levels seen in June quarter, said Vivek Tongaonkar, head of finance at Indian refiner Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited. He did not say by how much the discounts had reduced. Indian refiners, which rarely bought Russian oil in the past, have been snapping up discounted barrels after Western buyers shunned purchases from Russia following its invasion of Ukraine. MRPL's Russian oil processing is in line with the national average of 35 to 40%, Tongaonkar said on Wednesday at the company's post-quarterly earnings analyst call. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.